Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get clients from LinkedIn or how you can get jobs from LinkedIn. So it's really simple and easy. So for freelancing platforms, LinkedIn is getting better and better for your jobs and for your clients. So how you can get clients or jobs from LinkedIn? First of all, you have to open any browser, then go for this linkedin.com and you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now when you are here, as you can see, this is my LinkedIn. Now if I have to find clients or job, what I have to do is I have to go to this search bar, and let's say I am a video editor, so I need video editing clients or jobs. I have to search for this video editing, and as you can see, these are all the jobs, these are all the companies who are hiring video editors. So they can be your client, and then you can see these filters as well. You can select the date here like past month, past week or past 24 hours. Then it will show you the results who posted their jobs on just past 24 hours. Then you can select the experience level here, and then the company, you can see there are a lot of companies who are hiring video editors, and then you can select this on-site job, remote job or hybrid job, and you can select the other filters from here as well, like this experience level or all these things here. You can see, you can choose the location here, you can choose the industry, you can choose the job function, title, like if you are a graphic designer, whatever your skill is. So that's how you can get the clients or jobs from LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.